Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever bought something on StockX and realized your shipping address is wrong, don't panic. In this video, we'll walk you through how to change your shipping address after a purchase in 2025. StockX is a popular platform for sneakers and streetwear, but their policies can be a bit tricky, so let's dive right in and make this super straightforward. First things first, log into your StockX account on their website or app. Once you're in, head over to the My Account section and look for Order History. This is where all your past purchases are listed. Find the specific order you want to update. Make sure it's one that hasn't shipped yet, as StockX typically doesn't allow changes once it's on the way. Now, click on that order to open the details. You'll see an option that says something like Edit Shipping Address or Contact Support for changes. If it's available directly, enter your new address carefully, double-check for accuracy, and hit Save. But if that option isn't there, which is common for security reasons, you'll need to contact StockX customer support. Go to the Help section or use the chat feature to explain your situation. When you reach out to support, be polite and provide all the necessary details: your order number, the correct new address, and maybe even a reason for the change. They might ask for verification like a photo ID or proof of address to prevent fraud. Once approved, they'll update it on their end. This usually takes a day or two, so keep an eye on your email for confirmations. A quick tip: always try to update your address before the order ships. If it's too late, you might have to refuse delivery and request a return, which could complicate things. Also, remember that StockX prioritizes security, so changes aren't always instant. There you have it, folks. Changing your shipping address on StockX after a purchase is doable with a few simple steps. If you follow this guide, you'll avoid any delivery mishaps. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.